Welcome back to Martino TV. If you're suffering from allergies and you're tired of getting those shots or taking medication, we have an alternative to tell you about using laser technology. Dr. Steven Schwartz is the clinic director at the Allergy Stop, and this is such a cool thing that you're going to be telling us about. You use allergies to treat and sometimes completely eradicate allergies for people. Tell us how this works.
Well, thank you, Paula. The easiest way I could explain it is, what is an allergy? An allergy is nothing more than just an error in the immune system. So if we're wanting to balance that process in our body, we have to be able to correct that error. And the way that we do that is we can check for changes in body's galvanic and skin response, skin voltage changes. And it will literally give us information based off of inflammation and allergy causes and things like that. And we can assess for them, and we can also balance them just as easy.
Now, this laser treatment is completely painless, and we're seeing here with one of your patients right now, you strap on this kind of cool bracelet type of thing, and it's going to read kind of the body, and you're going to look at your computer, and it's going through all kinds of possible allergies, right?
Absolutely. That's what we're seeing here. It's literally asking your body, how does this register in your body? And then that's showing skin voltage, what we're looking at right now on the screen. And those signs will give us a printout of where all the imbalances are in the body. And from there, we can create a custom balanced remedy for which we then feed back through a laser, stimulating points in the ears and up and down the spine, acupuncture points and things like that.
So, you know, a lot of us know the basic things that we're allergic to, whether it's pollen or dust or maybe dogs or cats. But this machine, when you're hooked up to it, it finds all of the hidden things that you wouldn't have any idea you're allergic to.
Absolutely. You know, I always say that this machine makes me look a lot smarter than I really am, because it allows us to assess for the things that people think that they have, or what the doctors think that they may have, but more importantly, the things that we don't know. And that's the difference between a success and not success. For all the people that are out there that are saying, you know, I've tried all these things and it hasn't worked, because something's being missed. There's a cause for whatever is going on with them. It just hasn't been identified. And through our program, we actually are able to assess for those things and find things. That's where other clinics may not work.
Now, right here, you're using the laser and you're going through her ear. What are you doing here? What are these acupuncture points?
There's a technology, there's something called auricular therapy. And it's all the different aspects of the acupuncture channels and where it interacts with your body's neurology. By stimulating the points in the ears and up and down the spine, those are all superficial acupuncture points that can literally rebalance all aspects of your body. And we're talking about organs, glands, tissues,
it's incredible.
All the different systems.
And I know you have had such great results with seasonal allergies. And we're going to hear from one of your clients right now about her seasonal allergies and how you helped her.
So my seasonal allergies were treated with lots of medication, trying different things with the allergist. She sent me to other doctors to check to see if it was other things, and it just was an endless cycle of mostly just trying different medications. And now, you know, having finished this cycle of laser treatments, it's just been really a relief to not have to take all those medications all the time. Makeup, I couldn't have any makeup on. You know, I've never been able to wear mascara, and I can wear it. And it's just so exciting to be able to do some of the things people do every day.
I don't know what I wouldn't do without my mascara. I mean, you know, you've got to get some help there, so good for her. And you all are offering a great deal right now. Normally, you charge $75 for a full evaluation, but you're doing that for Martino TV viewers for only $25. So that's a $50 savings, so thank you for that. And you've definitely got to call the Allergy Stop, not just for allergies. You also help a lot of people with eczema and skin conditions. And there's a little boy that we profiled recently who came to your clinic. He came there, and he's so little, he actually has to sit on his dad's lap to get the treatment. But it was really incredible to see his before and after. So we're going to hear from this little boy. His name is Harris. Here's Harris's dad.
People would always stare at him and ask us, how did he get his hands burned? What happened to his face? He fell down because it was so bad. At first, I was a skeptic. Dr. Schwartz also, he told me, he knew I was a skeptic. But after the first treatment, emotionally, physically, he was better because he doesn't scratch anymore. I mean, you could really see that he's happy. I would say it's better than I could hope for. I mean, we stopped all the drugs that the doctors gave. I mean, I stopped going to the hospital just because of the eczema. When you hear about it, it's impossible. It's out of this world, but it works.
Yeah.
I mean, my son is a living proof of it. I'm a true believer. I mean, I've been recommending this type of treatment to all my friends and family.
Well, there you have it. I mean, you can't hear better testimonials than both of those people being able to stop their medications for their allergies. Now, again, we want to tell you they're offering a full evaluation for all of your allergies for only $25. That's a $50 savings with the Allergy Stop. Just an incredible deal. And, we're coming into the fall, Dr. Schwartz. I mean, that really affects a lot of people with molds and pollens.
Absolutely.
So it's a good time of year to take advantage of this. Now, here's the number to call, the Allergy Stop, 303-966-4663, 303-996-4663. You can also go to their website, theallergystop.com, theallergystop.com. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
It is described as a unique dining